No, no, no. I pull up to your crib every time I miss you.
Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today what we're finna do is a Beauty Guru intro tutorial. So the apps that you're gonna need are Adobe Draw, Mug Life, SquareFit, Videoleap, and Fonto. So first what you want to do is hop into Adobe Draw and make your drawing. In this video I will not be showing how to make the drawing, but if you do want a tutorial on it, just leave it down in the comments below. So after that you've made your drawing, you want to go into Mug Life, and this is where you can animate it. So you can add whatever face feature. If you want your drawing to wink, you can add that. So all of these apps are free because I'm not gonna pay for that. So you want to click on the corner at the top, go through your camera roll and pick the drawing. After you've picked the drawing, you can decide the animation that you want. Personally, I usually scroll down the bottom and I go to my mugs because I have certain animation that I prefer, and it's basically like going through your history. So once you've chosen your animation, you can then click on the top right corner and download the video on your camera roll as a video loop, not as a GIF, or else it will save as a picture when you try to put it into Videoleap. Then you want to crop the video on SquareFit because it does come with a watermark. So once you've done that, you want to save it. You want to go into Videoleap, and this is when you can start editing your video. Now for those that are actually doing a Beauty Guru intro, what you want to type in as your background on YouTube, you want to type in liquid video animation with green screen. But personally, I didn't want that background, so I have this beautiful sunset with the skyline. So what you also want to do on YouTube is find your audio. So what you want to do is scroll through the bottom, click on the audio, and then you want to unlink it. Then after you've unlinked the audio with the video, you can delete the video, because what I personally do is I screen record everything. So now it's a chance where you add your animation with the drawing. So what you want to do is click on Mixer, and then you want to click on Chroma, and then on the picker you pick the green so that it basically fades into the background. Then you can adjust it so that there's no more green screen left, and you can also adjust the picture to where you want it to fit on the video. So then you want to add your subscriber animation to add a little flavor to your intro. And then you want to do the same thing. You want to go on Mixer, pick Chroma, and then fade out the green so that your video can look nice and clean. So this next step, you can do it in Videoleap, but I wanted to customize my font. And I feel like Videoleap restricts you to a certain degree, so that's why I did it into Fonto. So what I did is that I put it again on a green screen, and then I wrote my channel's name. So because this is the free version of Videoleap, they restrict you on how many transitions you can put on it. So what you want to do is that you want to save your intro and then start a new project with a video you just saved. So on this one, I put my channel's name, and then I added a glitch effect. So I'm showing you guys all the options that you can choose. And then the glitch effect that I personally like the best is RGB, and then I adjusted that. So I hope this was helpful for anyone trying to make their intro, and just reminding y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe.
We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my home.